going to third next year in Heron Heights Elementary. Today we're going to make a computer. So this is how you build a computer. You will need a case, then a CD drive, then a gaming power supply, a I/O shield, a motherboard, a CPU, a cooling fan, and wires. This is a case for a computer, and it is Corsair Spec M2. Now I'm going to show you around. And now I'm going to unscrew this screw. Let's do the other one. Now we're just going to lift it up. I'm going to take out the other cover on the other side. Use this handle.
Good.
CD drive. And this is a CD drive. So we're gonna pop this out. Now how to pop it out is you just put your fingers here. Now I'm using these two fingers because I'm so tiny. And you put it together and then it'll pop out.
Good.
Now we're just going to put the CD drive. And I'm just going to have a little brother. There.
Good job. And now?
We need a gaming power supply. Bobby, let me tell you. This is a gaming power supply. The total power is 550 watts. Roseville. And this is... Now I have the power supply. So now we're going to put it through here. It has to match. And also before we put it on, I'm going to show you around. The bottom, this is the fan. So it could go through the mash and then into the power supply, and then it could go out like that. So now there. Now we're gonna put on the screws. No, this is a I/O shield. So we are gonna put it on here. Put it in. Then press it.
Good.
This is a motherboard. Everything connects to the motherboard. This is a CPU, and the name is Core i5, and it goes right here. Now I'm going to put the CPU.
Press it, press. Slowly. Press it outward. Don't touch anywhere else.
There. My hands hurt. This is the CPU fan, and it goes on top of here. Now you press here to secure the fan.
Good.
Did I do it right?
Yeah.
Is it in?
Yes. Now do this one.
Now we're gonna do this one and then this.
Good.
You connect the CPU fan right there. We're gonna use 2 memories, and it equals to 16 gigs. This is the brain's memory. It is 8 gig. Both of them have 8 gig. And now we're going to put it on the motherboard.
So total how much memory you have?
16 gigs.
Okay.
Now we're going to use our thumbs and press it down.
Okay. The other side.
And then we're going to do the other side.
Okay.
Now we're going to put the motherboard in the case. Oopsies. This is too sticky. What the heck? We put the CD over here, put the gaming power supply here, the motherboard sticking up here, and the I/O shield.
The CPU.
And the CPU under the fan. Now this is where you connect the audio wire. There. This is the USB wire. It's gonna go right here on the next one, right there.
Okay.
This solid state drive, which stands for SSD, it is 255 gigs. This is a SSD. It stands for solid state drive. This SATA will connect to this solid state drive.
Okay. Connect.
I just pretended.
Yep. You got it.
There. The other end of the SATA cable goes on the CD drive. This wire is called a USB 3.0. It goes right here. So, you see this flat area in this bumpy area, that middle, and you see this gap right there? It will go like that, and like this facing in the front, and then you could push it down. And since we put the CPU, the cooling fan, and the wires, it's time to see if it works. Now we plug in the power supply. Here. Just turn the switch on.
Switch.
And it worked.
Yoo-hoo! Okay.
Now we're going to install the software and put the CD in. Wait, Chris, let me do it.
Touch it from the side only. You didn't put it properly.
And we put in the CD.
It's working. Good job, kiddos. Okay.
Now we're going to connect the keyboard to the I/O shield. There. Now we're going to put this one, and it's a USB. And we're going to connect it to the mouse. We connect the mouse to the I/O shield.
Okay.
Now if it doesn't go easy, then you just flip it over and try it again.
Try the first way.
There.
Are you ready to be a Galactic Ranger? We want you!